Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Big Mike brought in his CVO Road Glide for an NVS Audio Stage 2 high power. He doesn't want to take up any space in the bags, so we're doing the cut-in lid kit with and we're upgrading the 6 mines to Hertz. We're running 2 amplifiers, so the lids are going to have an 800.4 bridge by themselves, and then we're going to run the uppers, lowers, and tour pack speakers off the second 800.4. We're running the DSP, we're going to flash the radio. Things going to sound really good and take up no bag space at all. Progress on the CVO. Lid kit is cut in. Beautiful Harley logo. Ground zero coaxes are in. Pod's been modified and then covered back up with sound deadener. We like to use this stuff with the foam on the outside. That way when it comes in contact with the fairing, it doesn't buzz or vibrate. All the wiring is nice and neat, just like that. Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Big Mike's CVO Road Glide is done. It's finished. NVS Audio Stage 2 high power. So we got 2 Sound Digital evox 800.4s in the fairing. We did ground zero coax in the front. We did Hertz SX coaxials in the lowers. We did Hertz XX coaxials in the tour pack pods. And then in the lids, we cut in the NVS Audio lid kit with the Hertz Neo SX 690s. So we're running 400 watts to each 6x9. We're running a Rockford DSR1 DSP. It's tuned in. It sounds great. Check it out. Custom Harley badges on the lid kit. Hertz Neo 690s. Power lock still work in the bags. Ground zero coax, Hertz SX, Hertz XX, factory radio flash,